Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be continuing the Shelby Cobra build. Just going to finish off the front end and maybe move on to a little bit more if we get time. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please do hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe and obviously leave a comment as well. Thanks very much. Let's get cracking. Last time we made the arches and the front end part there, and we made the hood or bonnet if you're English like myself. But I did forget we've got the bonnet scoop to do, so let's crack on and do that. So it's not very high, but it's quite long and thin. Going by this. So if you remember last time we were doing 2 times everything, so we've got 1.5, so it's going to be 3 wide, and we've got 2.5, so 5, so 3 by 5. So that's where I want to bend it along. I'm going to cut this off though. Okay. And we'll stick this in the vise. And hopefully this will bend correctly. Give some tips. Too much. So I want that curve properly. Also, probably not. Yeah, probably about that. So now to try and do the same on the other side, which is probably a bit difficult because of the way that's cut in. So probably need to cut off a bit of that now to make that fit properly. Okay. hook. One, yeah, maybe a bit tall, but we can cut that back a bit later. Okay. Now that line again. Okay. Burned. Yep, quite liking that. Cut this side off. There we go. A bit more curve. Now grind them down again. So now we have the bonnet with the scoop after making a small mistake of welding the scoop on the wrong way round. Now what I haven't done is cut the hole perfectly yet. I'm gonna, when I'm finished later, nearer the time, I will tack that into place and just get a really thin cutting wheel on the rotary tool. So I've got a nice line around there, so it all lines up nicely. Anyway, so let's head about doing the rest of it. Bend that over in the back like I said I was going to do. bezels on. Bad, not bad. As you can see, I'm no precision engineer. I'm not trying to be, so. Same this side. No, because it curves in there. Do it there. Okay, now let's weld that in there properly. Okay, there we have it. Now let's get those welds ground down. So there we go, not too bad. A couple of pinholes there, but not too bad. Just going to double check that height before I cut that off of there. Whichever I do. Not sure what that was. So we're talking. I mean, that's a slight curve up there. 1 inch, but just short 1 inch or 2 inch at this point, because we're doubling. Well, we've gone way too long. We haven't taken into account of that, I think. So we need short 2 inches there, and here we do should be there. A massive calculation problem there, didn't we? Thought it was looking too big. So at the same time we've got the same issue here, obviously. Now I know I say go oversized, but no, it's way too oversized. Okay. Bend over. There we go, that ain't half looking too bad, that. Quite happy with that. Let's do the other side. There we go, other side done. So I'm going to call that it for today. Didn't get as much done as I'd liked, but there we go. Anyway, I hope you join me in the next video for part 3, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much.